Alright guys, so taking a closer look at the shaft and everything through there, I've got some pictures. I'm going to go ahead and give the green light to install all our new stuff. The way we're going to do this is our O-ring is going to fit on here, which is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to put some oil on it too, just to kind of help it not dry, because you don't want to put it in dry. When you put it in dry, it could like crack it, and you know, keeps it one side off. Take care of the O-ring. Got some oil on my finger. I'm just gonna move it up with some oil. Go ahead. Put the O-ring on there. So with that, then we can take the pellet. That's gonna go in our spring, and we'll go ahead and throw that into the engine. And I want to check something. Alright guys, another update. This is getting really intense. So because of the damaged stuff, it caused very light scoring inside the bore. So now there's little chaff pieces in there, just very, very small, minute. So minute. I talked to a guy at Racing Beat, and what we decided to do is take our original one that's in here. So we sanded it basically till it fit in, like so. Alright. So it can basically go all the way to the back side. So, there we go. So I went ahead, measured it. This measures in at 14.88 millimeters, right? So if we measure this, and these two are actually like identical down to like the 10th of a millisecond, we have it's 0.06 millimeter difference for this to fit in. That's pretty bonkers. So very scary. I'm gonna take this and sand this down over there with just some very fine sandpaper, very slowly, and measure it till we get around 14.89 to turned off to 14.9 or 90. Just so we can make sure that we can actually fit this in, and we don't have to shave anything extra that we don't need to. Alright guys, so we got our piece here sanded down to about 14.89 and 14.90. There's always something around there. And I can push it with my finger. So let's go ahead. On one nice motion. And now I should be able to effortlessly let this in until I get to the whatchamacallit. Alright, I'm just gonna skip me tightening it. It's going in. I'm just gonna finish putting it all the way through. And we need to torque this to 80. So let's get this guy cranked up to 80 foot-pounds. That's monstrous right there. That is. Say a quick prayer. All right. There we go. That's